And then I decide I want to listen to something else. I can change the album, artist, song, genre, playlist.
Let's see the application menu, the icons of all the different.
Oh, sure. It's okay. Did you have any specific questions?
Are we going to get a sheet on all the features?
So we're not handing out any materials here at the actual show, but the website is up, and it has all the features and all the relevant information about the Pre.
Are we not allowed to handle it? No. It's a little suspicious.
All right. I'll let you hold it.
Can I slide it?
Sure.
Okay, so you can see on the bottom here.
Oh, there's the lights. That's what they were. Yeah.
Oh, but that light doesn't move. Actually, had a trail, like a trailing light.
Yeah.
So there weren't any specific like third-party applications that were like Slack or anything like that that were announced.
So we have we've had an intensive kind of developer community kind of I guess program surrounding this, and we've developers have access to APIs and they can start developing. We've had some developers already start developing. There's a unique set, and then of course we're working with Sprint partners as well. So there'll be, this is just an announcement, but there will be.
How is the corporate email integration? What is it using? I mean, for corporate email, it's just links into Exchange. There's no other.
Yeah, there's no Exchange.
It totally makes sense.
Interesting.
Can you show the calendar, please?
All of it's automatic. The syncing is right in real time.
Yep, the syncing is all real time. It's getting all the data from whatever the accounts and from the web. I can actually go to days, calendar days by obviously.
Don't have the notion of what a connection is.
I'm a lefty, so it's a little awkward, but back and forth that way as well. I can also obviously condense my calendar to show me only certain calendars. I only want to see my personal appointments, which are my Google appointments. And then of course, there's the free time, and then if it's shaded, that means that time is blocked, and it won't allow me to double book myself.
So are there different columns for personal versus corporate? Is that what we were...
The color, yes.
Could you show the...
So the pink
is personal?
The blue is personal?
Blue is personal.
So the blue is personal. The pink is EAS. So your Outlook, for example, your work email, right?
Yeah. Is there a tab function, or is it just there's no like double?
There's a tab. So I'm in the application menu, for example. My tab function is to release that menu from my view, right? And then the scrolling function is to actually go through. The tab function is if I want to put in a new event, right? If I wanted to go to an actual calendar event, it will show me that event. And then I can also go and delete that event, move that event, change the time, do whatever I need to do.
And so can you can, okay, I was going to say shifting to a card, so you can scroll through.
I don't have another card, so let me pull up another card.
How do you launch the browser, like if it were just in its
you can do it a couple different ways. I can go to the launcher and launch the browser. I can actually customize the icons to have my browser down at the bottom. I have a bookmark, or I can type in the URL.
Wow. What did they say the resolution of the screen?
320 by 480.
320 by half VGA.
Half VGA. Yep.
So
it was John made that disclosure. Yep.
Yeah. The audio organizer. What I mean the music is there
music
any
player?
The music player, is there any kind of unique
There's a couple of unique things about it. One of the things is if I decided to go to the music player, listen to music, right? And I want to go back to my calendars and do whatever, I have a music icon at the bottom. I can type on that. It'll bring up the music, a small music player with controls. I can pause. I can play.
The library, like the.
Oh, yeah. So
is there a name for it? I mean, is it just the Palm Web OS, or is there like iTunes analog?
Nope, it's the Palm Web OS and it's an on-device music player, and we will also have, depending on the carrier. I can't turn the music on. We also will have